Hello friends, so today I have a fun art project to do that is super easy to do at home. You'll need a little casserole tray and fill it up with about an inch or two of water and some scissors and some blank pieces of cardstock paper. And then I got these chalk eggs from the dollar store, or if you have some at home, those will work as well. They recommend to use the chalk pastels for art, but these work just as well. You just have to pick the ones that are darker in color. I did these in the Wild Things class a few weeks ago, and they absolutely loved it. I did have to help, I had them hold the egg, and then you take the scissors and you scrape the chalk into the water where it sits on top. So I'll show you how it looks. So you can see how the chalk is just sitting on top of the water there. And you'll do that for a good layer. And like I said, I had the kids hold the egg, and then I shaved the chalk off into the water because it can be a little tough for them to do. But feel free to let them give it a try. And you keep doing that with all different colors. So I'm going to do blue and some purple. And again, you want to get a nice layer on top so that it gives it a vibrant color. And then this is what it will look like. So you can see all those pretty colors there. And then you're going to get your piece of paper. And you're going, here, let me see if I can do this. You're going to stick the piece of paper on top to where it floats on top of the water. And the kids can do this perfectly. They have so much fun with it. And then you will lift the paper up. And it leaves the chalk art onto the paper. And the kids have so much fun doing it. And like I said, it's super easy, super simple, and a lot of you have chalk at home already. And they'll sit here and do this for a long time. They have so much fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I would love to see all your chalk artwork. Bye!